Hi guys, Horn Illumination channel. Today I'll tell you how to play Hold'em 6 Plus. Hold'em 6 Plus, also known as Short Deck, is a gambling point trick card game based on Texas Hold'em. So I will tell you only the differences between those games in this video. And since the game is very similar to Texas Hold'em, uh, you will uh, it's easier for you to play Hold'em 6 Plus if you're able to play regular Hold'em. So yeah. So the first difference is a deck of 36 cards from sixes to aces. That means uh, that means choose choose threes, fours, and fives are not used in the game. Second difference is blinds replaced by is ante replacing blinds. Players are announcing one ante, while bottom the dealer is announcing two antes. antes. After announcing them, uh, the first hand, the leftmost player sitting near the button, is can announce straddle, which is four antes, or just look at their cards without straddle. Next we got combinations. Combinations. The only difference is flush being higher than full house. then we then we are going to another difference in gameplay. So the only difference here is with all-in situation. Basically, if two players are losing are losing every point, the point one of them can basically can announce the two boards or just play without it. If opponent will agree, then the bank splits in two halves, the two separate banks. And if opponent will refuse, then basically nothing will happen. Those players are losing. So yeah. so yeah. The also the the five cards, the basically the five cards on the surface, the flop, pre-flop, uh, flop, turn, and river. So yeah. Alright, alright, I need to move these. I need to move a little more. Alright, So we move those cards. So mm, though these the five cards on these five face-up cards are called board, and one of the players is and button is placing those cards twice. The owner of the highest combination or players, if there's a tie, if the combinations are equal, is getting the first bang half. In the second time, uh, the the owner of highest combination owner is getting second bang half. Also, the second board is repeating the first one. So yeah. I think told you everything about this game. Well, not actually everything. I only told you about the differences, but you can watch my Texas Hold'em video, and you will easily understand Hold'em 6 Plus since those card games are very similar. So yeah, basically, uh, besides differences I told you, the game is identical to Hold'em 6 Plus, to Texas Hold'em. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you now know how to play Hold'em 6 Plus short deck. And since I have nothing else to say, I'm ending this video right now. So goodbye, everyone.